Hey, hi. So in today's video, we're going to look at this app called the Photo Lock app, which hides your files, hides your pictures, hide your videos. Okay. We all have things on our phones that are meant for our eyes only. So this app can help you to keep your data secure. We're going to see how you can use it and how you can use it to lock down everything from videos to secret notes. And we're going to see whether the premium package is actually worth it paying, or you can remain with a free version. Okay, the app looks simple. It looks like this. Up here is a crowd backup. It has create a new folder, so you can easily arrange your photos in folders. We have all photos. This is my folder which I created. So we're going to see how everything works. Okay, down here we have photos, we have videos, music, files, and notes. Okay, so the first time you download this app and open, it will force you to set up a master security key before you can even look at the dashboard, which you see here. So the first thing you're going to do is the app will make you kind of set up a master key. It's important to note that master key, because if you lose it, it's actually a disaster. Okay, my master key is like 4 digits. Okay, yeah. So once this password is set, the app creates an encrypted hidden directory on your phone's storage. We're going to see how everything works. Okay, so first of all, we're going to create a folder which is called maybe what can I call it? Let me call it Brian. All right. So because photos usually have, okay, let me just call it WhatsApp private. Okay. Okay. So okay, once you have created that folder, you can kind of move items from here to, you can move pictures from where you want them into this folder. Let me go out. So I have WhatsApp private, only me. There is downloads and pictures. These are default folders. These ones down here, pictures and downloads, they're default folders. So you can actually still use them if you don't mind, but I prefer creating some folders which I can easily remember. Now, how do you actually hide a photo? Items do not hide themselves automatically. To get a photo to hide a photo, you have to actually import those photos into these folders that you see here, or the folders that you have created. Okay, so let's kind of go to WhatsApp private. Okay, so the moment you hit import, the app does 2 things immediately. This is what we're going to do. So we're going to click on here, import plus. Then I'm going to import this picture, my picture. I'm going to import these all party pictures and also this. Okay, I'm going to hide these 4 pictures. Now, before I hide, let me try to open the file manager of the phone so that we can try to see the difference before you hide these folders. Okay, so let me try to exit this app. Where is it? All right, I think let me just restart. All right, let me just restart the whole thing. Okay, so the moment you hit import, the app will do 2 things. It will move the files out of your phone's public folders, and it will hide it into the app's private encrypted data folder, as we're going to see it. Now, what I've realized when you move photos, when you move these photos or videos, they will kind of actually move away from the phone's gallery. Okay, so we're going to see that. So, all right, so let me open the app. Okay, I didn't actually want to open the app. So, okay. So let me try to cross this. All right. Okay, so once a photo is hidden inside the app, no one browsing your regular phone gallery or Google Pictures will ever be able to see it. Okay, the only way to view it is to launch this specific app and type in your password to see it. Okay, so let's try to see this. I'm using an emulator, that's why actually it kind of keeps restarting. Okay, so and also we're going to look at other features which are in the premium, which you can access if you haven't paid, but generally you can. So before I open this app, let me try to go to my gallery, my phone gallery. Okay, so when I go here, I can see this party pictures. I can see my picture here. I can see these pictures here. So all these pictures, we're going to hide them so that people don't see them. Okay, I can see we're going to actually hide all these four photos. They're under gallery lock. It's just a photo called gallery lock, but it's not really private. So I assume when you hide it, we shall only be remaining with these pictures and also maybe this birthday picture. Or maybe we're going to also hide this photo whereby this lady is holding this mineral bottle. Okay, so let me cross the gallery and let me go to photo log. Okay, so let's try to do the logging. So the app opens with a master password. So you have to know your master password. Okay, so I think I used something like that. Okay, so let me unlock it. Okay, so I find it it doesn't have really lots of ads. Yes, there are some ads, but they're not really a lot. So let me try to skip this ad. Okay, so let's go to WhatsApp private. Let me click on import. So let me click all these party pictures, then the strip pictures, my own picture, and then also let's take this mineral water, lady holding this mineral water. So what is going to remain in the media gallery is this lady, and then also one birthday photo, and also this photo, whatever it is. So we're hiding all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's click on import. So it means, okay, 5 photos imported successfully. So it means, let me not give a review now. So it means these photos now are in this folder called WhatsApp private. I just named it WhatsApp private, okay? So there are 5 photos which are hidden. So if you move them here, they actually removed completely from your phone's gallery. Okay, it doesn't make a copy, it removes them from your phone's gallery. So let's go back to the phone gallery, then we try to see if we can see these photos which we have hidden. So let me go here, gallery, and you realize actually here we only have 2 photos. So we have hid all the other 5 photos where this lady was holding a bottle, and all the other birthday photos, and also my own photo. So this is how the app works. It kind of hides that information away from people. So even if someone gets your phone, he can't actually access the other photos. So you're going to see how you can hide them. Okay, so let me cross that. Let me go back to the photo log app, and we're going to see how you can unlock the. You're going to see how you can unhide the files or photos, so that maybe you take them back. Maybe you don't want them to be logged again. So okay, so we're going to see this, and also we're going to see what is in the premium, because premium has really cool features that you really have to know. Okay, I'm trying to cross this ad. Okay. All right, so let me unhide them. So I go here, you kind of click, right? And you don't double click, you just click and leave your finger there, then this option to tick will come. So let me unhide them. So unhide is here down. Just click on unhide. You may actually also delete if you want. So let me just click on unhide. Let me just leave everything to default, unhide. Okay, so file files restored public gallery. So I've moved them out and they have been returned. They have been put in a public gallery. So people can view those photos again when they access your phone. Now let's talk about the cool features. First of all, there's a crowd backup. Okay, this is this one which you see in the big banner at the top of the app. This allows users to back up their hidden images, videos, files, and notes to a secure cloud server. So in case you have to know that if you're using the free version, your files are stored strictly on your device, local memory. So if you lose or break your phone, these files are gone. So premium ensures a safety net. Okay, now let me click on settings so that I can show you the cool features which are all in. Oh my gosh, okay, this is another ad. Okay, so there's another feature which is called a guest locker. This is the app's version of a fake vault, as we're going to see. Let me try to. Oh my gosh, this video is, this ad is failing to cross. Okay. All right. So I think I'm going to cross the whole app to just move off this. Let me just cross the app. All right. So they have a cool feature called the guest locker. That is, I can say, the decoy account. If you have maybe someone who may wonder why you're hiding the photos, and you can try to actually access the guest locker. The guest locker looks like a real hidden folder on your phone, but it's actually a decoy account, just to in case someone is suspicious of you. Okay, so this is the guest locker I'm talking about. So this guest locker is the app's version of a fake vault. It allows you to create a secondary guest locker with a completely different password. If a friend or family member demands to see what is in the app, you can type in a guest password. It opens a completely separate dummy dashboard showing harmless images, keeping your real vault hidden. So that's the use of the guest locker. You have to activate it. It is free, but by default it's not activated. You have to activate it. So if you have these family members who can be like, hey, why do you have for a photo log? Why do you have a photo log on your phone? What are you hiding? So when you have the guest locker active, when you put in a password, you have said it's, you set a password to be your guest local password. So when you use that password, it will show safe. Right, these photos are really safe. They may be just a lake, sunshine, something like that. Okay, so the master password will take you to the main account where your files are hidden. But if you use a guest password, it will take you to a decoy account. It's kind of actually a cool way. Then they have a replace. Okay, cloud backup. I've talked about it. They have a replace app icon. In the bracket, I can say the stealth mode. The standard app icon can magically disappear from your home screen and launcher. It gets replaced with a secret, completely unsuspicious icon like a news icon, weather, or radio. So in case maybe your phone, usually someone sneaks on into it and you don't want really to look like you're hiding something, you can activate this feature. So they will give your app an icon which really is boring. Like, who wants to click on a weather icon, seriously, or a news icon? So that is what the replace app icon does. Then there is a cool feature called okay, there is set unlock pattern. Okay, there is also, but this one's a free wireless files transfer. You can also configure this. There is intruder photo. Where you see the crown, it means it's actually a premium. So the intruder photo, what this does is if someone unauthorized tries to access your files and enters the wrong password, the app automatically captures an image of that person using the front camera. Okay, so next time you open the app, it will show you exactly who was trying to snoop through your phone. It's kind of a cool feature, guys. Okay, that is why people actually pay for the premium. Then there is a press down lock. When you press down your phone first down, it will automatically close and lock itself. So okay, the press down lock, this uses your phone's grayscope. If you're browsing your private files and someone suddenly walks into the room, you can just flip your device face down on the table and the app instantly closes itself. So you don't really have to fidget, change, you can just be as if you're pressing it down on the table. When someone picks that phone up, the app will already have closed itself. It will close itself. So when someone sees your phone, he'll just see a normal phone without this app. Okay. So the whole app is made for you to kind of try to hide your things, but without actually raising suspicion with the people you are living with. Okay. Now there is the gallery lock themes. This allows users to customize the actual appearance and interface of their private photo vault, shifting away from the stock blue and white look. Okay, so that's what I can say. It's a really cool. It's a really cool app, and it's a great app for simple photo hiding. But the premium version turns it into a full-on privacy ninja, with guest locker, hidden icons, and crowd backup so that you never lose your data. Okay, so this is what I can say about Photo Lock app. Let me know what you think about this app. If you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, I'll appreciate if you subscribe. You can leave me a like. You can let me know which country you're viewing this video from. And I'll see you in the next video when I'm viewing a random app. See you and bye-bye. Okay.